The eye has been described as the first circle. Throughout nature, this primary figure is repeated without end. The aim of evolution is ever more perfect eyes in a world in which there is always more to see. The function of vision is to establish the foundation of sensory information and experience needed to direct movement. The development of human vision is a long and complex process involving not only the visual organs, but also the brain and the nerves and muscles of the entire body. This total action system can only be understood through an appreciation of the progressive, orderly stages of development as the organism reacts to growth and environmental stimuli. The first absolute prerequisite for innervation of the eye is light. The newborn reacts to light even through closed lids by flinching or frowning. With eyes open, the infant blinks reflexively to strong light. It may show distaste and avoidance with facial and bodily responses. However, the head and eyes are soon attracted to sources of diffuse light, such as windows, and to illuminated targets. The mechanism of reflexive constriction and dilation of the pupils gradually matures to allow efficient adaptation of the visual system to different degrees of light. The foundation of automatic reactions include visual responses to sound, touch, and to movement, as well as light, and become integrated with emerging voluntary eye movements. The movements are seen first in total patterns, such as eyes and head moving together, and gradually become more selective, as the eyes are able to separate from the head for more rapid and efficient function. This study of normal infants presents sequences of movement-related visual function from birth to 6 months, when primitive visual reflexes are integrated and essential voluntary eye movement components are nearly as functional as in the adult. Skills then continue to improve through experience and interweaving with the total cognitive and motor action system. The developmental components of visual function are grouped into separate clusters of sequential behavior. Section 1 consists of primarily involuntary reflexive visual patterns. Pupillary reactions, doll's eye responses, and eyelid reflexes. Section 2 consists of primarily voluntary eye movements, which are cognitively directed. Localization or visual approach, fixation or visual grasp, ocular pursuit or visual manipulation, and gaze shift or visual release. Normal maturation cannot be measured precisely because it's a continuous, overlapping process, but monthly levels can serve as a useful frame of reference for the study of sequence of development as well as the rate.